Course blocks. In your courses, you can add and manage different types of blocks that provide information or functionality for users. Blocks appear in the block drawer on the right margin. They can only be managed by users with administrative permissions. Turn editing mode on to enable block management. You can select any blocks you want to add to your course page using the drop-down menu. With edit mode turned on, you can perform modifications to a block. One of these modifications is to move the block up and down the margin. You can also perform any of the options in the block's drop-down menu. Let's take a look at an important block in LearnMate, the administration block. The administration block has important course functions, including the course settings and grade reports, as well as backup and restore functions. There are many other blocks that you can add to the course page. Take the time to learn the functions of each one.